Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for tuning in, man. I would like to welcome you to Alabama. Sweet home, Alabama. I just made it here. Birmingham, to be exact. Birmingham, Alabama. All right. So I'm gonna take a quick walk around. I don't have a lot of time here in Alabama, but I had to make the quick stop here on my way back to Tennessee, back to Nashville. I like this sign here. See it? Alabama. Right? I like this sign. So on my way back I'm heading to Tennessee, to Nashville. So I had to do a quick stop here in Birmingham, downtown area, just to get a sense of what the place is like. So far, I mean, it looks nice. It looks nice. The problem is, I was looking on YouTube, on Google. What are some of the things that I can do while I'm here, even though it's a pit stop, it's a very short stay. Alabama wasn't really on the list right now, but since I'm so close, I might as well, because I might not get the chance to come back here. I like to take advantage of the opportunity, right? So if I'm close, if I'm a couple hours away from it, I don't see why not. Yeah, so if I'm just a couple hours away from it, I might as well just go ahead and drive down and visit. No harm. We got some artwork here. Okay. Too bad I didn't find something specific to do here. It was not part of the list. But nonetheless, I'm here. My foot touched down in Alabama. So this is all new to me, right? Alabama is all new to me. Maybe it's all new to you. Or maybe you live here, or maybe you've been here. Tell me in the comments. Tell me where I should go, where I should have gone. Because when you're watching this, I'll be long gone. It's very quiet. Seems to be very quiet. It's a Monday. It's about, what time is it? It's about 1:50 on a Monday. Pretty quiet. All right, we're back. We're back still in Birmingham. It's Birmingham, Alabama. I am here in the streets of Alabama. Sweet home. All right. So I see this arena here. Oh my God! I almost fell. Well, of course it's closed. I can't get closer. But we got the arena here, the Sheraton, the Legacy Arena. So we have Legacy Arena. It's closed right now, obviously. But it doesn't even look like I'm supposed to be here. There's the security guards sitting right there. But here it is, man. Oh boy. Like I said, this was on, well, it wasn't exactly on the way, but I just had to make a quick stop to have my foot touch down on Alabama. I don't know if I'll be back here, but if I do, fine. But if I don't, I can actually cross it off the list. Security guard is actually looking at me over here. I think he's gonna come over here. So I gotta make this quick. Yeah, he's over there looking at me bad. So yeah, so I made it here. I'm glad I did. It wasn't you know, obviously it's on my way to Tennessee, and so I wanted to touch down, and I did. Maybe I'll be back to Alabama. Who knows what the future holds? But in the meantime, Alabama's done. All right, completed. Alabama's done, on the way. It's about having my foot touch down, all right? I can't do them all, man. I can't do them all. I can't go to all these states and do everything that they have. That's impossible. That is impossible, okay? But I do go if I find something that's nice, and like I just did in Atlanta. We went to in Atlanta. We went to the Delta Museum in Atlanta, and that was really fun, man. I had a lot of fun doing that. But a lot of times I don't spend a lot of time in some of these cities, and because of that, there's not much I can do. I can only squeeze so much in. But as long as I get to see it, a little bit of it, as long as I get to walk around a bit, I'm happy, you know? I mean, it was on my way. So no harm, no foul. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do every single thing. I'm not gonna be able to see every single thing. But for the most part, I can say that I've been to Alabama, and that's what counts. So this was a very short video. Until next time, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, and let me know if there's a list of things that I could have done in Alabama. The people who live here in Alabama, in Birmingham, please let me know, and I'll check back with you later. All right.
Garden.com